Yeah, hello, welcome to my channel. Yeah, today, because of a certain situation, a life hack. And here you can see my driver's license lying on the dashboard. And yeah, I had an appointment with my son today. He got a new driver's license and he stupidly put it on the front shelf. And when we drove off, the driver's license naturally said goodbye in this direction and slipped behind the windshield, behind the dashboard. Yeah, now how do you get something like that out? Yeah, I thought about it for a long time and found a solution here. And I'd like to present that to you too, of course, in case someone else gets into this predicament. Have fun with it. So I'll simulate it here with a supermarket card. And yeah, this is now basically my debit card, credit card, driver's license, basically everything that's important to me. And yeah, at some point it's here. I'll show you now. Bam. And now it's gone. Yeah, and that's exactly what happened with my son's driver's license. Basically, just half an hour or an hour after he'd picked it up, the mishap occurred. Yeah, now, how do you get it out? You can't reach it with your fingers, of course. We tried welding wire, all sorts of things. Yeah, in the end, that unfortunately didn't lead to the success of actually getting the driver's license card out of here. Anyway, after giving it some more careful thought, I eventually came up with a possible solution for how to potentially actually get this out, our little card. And this is how I went about it. I just took a DIN 4 sheet of paper, which is a standard size, and made a loop out of it. I attached it right here with a stapler so you can see it. You could probably glue it too, but for a quick fix, I'd say stapling it is definitely the better solution. So, and then I went in with the whole thing. My thinking was like this. If I'm lucky now, the credit card will slide in here. And then I can basically pull it out with it. So let's give it a try now and see if it works again here for my video. So I hope you can see that. So I'm just going in here right now and I'm just trying to actually get the whole entire thing in here now, you know. And very slowly, step by step, working my way gradually towards me. So, I hope you were able to see it, and that's how I fished my little card back up. Well, here's the thing again. Yeah, so you've seen that it works. I hope I can also help you out in your case with my little tip here. Yeah, if you liked it, as always, leave a sub so you don't miss any videos, and a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And then I'd say, I wish you a Merry Christmas. Take care until my next video. Bye.